Dear friends, in class 9 we have 6 chapter lines and angles, and exercise 6.1 first question is, in figure lines AB and CD intersect at O. This is intersect at O. So you can understand this is line AB and line CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, if angle AOC plus angle BOE means this angle plus this angle, measure sum of the measures of these two angles is 70 degree. This is what is given to us. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. This angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. This is given to us. So write whatever is given to us. We are given lines, line AB and CD intersects at O. We are also given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and we are given angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. This is what is given to us. We are asked to find measure of angle BOE. Now let us try to find the solution of this. So solution is, or you can say answer. Here line AB and line CD intersect each other at point O. It means angle BOD and angle AOC are vertically opposite angles. So you can say that angle BOD is equal to angle AOC The reason is they are vertically opposite angles. And we know that measures of the vertically opposite angles is equal. Therefore, we can say that angle AOC is also equal to, since angle BOD is 40 degrees, it means angle AOC is also 40 degrees. Now put this in equation number 1. This is what is given to us. So we will get angle BOE, angle AOC is 40 degree. It means 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. If you transpose 40 to the other side, this is added this side, so if it is transposed, it will become negative. So angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is equal to 30 degrees. Now please note, we were asked to find angle BOE. This is what we have found. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degree, and reflex angle COE is asked. Reflex angle COE means this is angle COE and reflex of it is this angle, total angle. So first for this we need to find angle COE. Now see this angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to this plus this is equal to 180 degrees. Try to understand this. So first we have found. Now next is angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is angles in linear pair are supplementary. Angles in linear pair are supplementary. Now look at the figure. BOC is this angle. BOC is nothing but the sum of these two angles, COE plus BOE. Since these two are adjacent angles, they can be added. So this will be angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equal to 180 degrees. Now please note, we are given this angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Sum of these two angles is given to us. So this is equal to 70 plus angle COE is equal to 180 degrees. It means angle COE, we are keeping this side, 70 is transposed to the other side, it will become negative. So we will get angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110 degrees. Now please note, we are supposed to find the reflex angle COE. Reflex angle is this. reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus COE. So reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110. So this will be 250 degrees. So reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degrees. Dear friends, in class 9 we have 6 chapter lines and angles, and exercise 6.1 we have the second question. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. You can see line XY and line MN intersect at point O if angle POY is 90 degrees. This angle is right angle. Angle POY is equal to 90 degrees. This is given to us. And AB is to A to B is to S to 3. We have to find angle C. Now for this we are given this angle as A, B and C. We are given the ratio of A is to B. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Now since ratio is given, we can say that there exists a common multiplier, and let the multiplier be x. Let us write the solution of this. For this we need to write the given things first. Here lines XY and MN intersect. Here we are given that line MN, line XY intersects line MN at O. This is what is given to us. Then angle POY is equal to 90 degrees. This is also given. Then we are given A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. It means A upon B is equal to 2 upon 3. Please note, in figure we are given POM. Angle POM is equal to is equal to A, and angle XOM is equal to B. This is given to us. Sorry, it is not given A and B, it is given A is to B. So here you can understand that there exists some common multiplier. Let the common multiplier be x. Let common multiplier be x. Therefore this A is to B, this angle POM is equal to A 2 into x, that is, this is the ratio is given to, it is equal to 2x, and angle XOM is equal to 3x. Now please note, angle XOP plus YOP or POX, here angle POX plus angle POY is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is angles in linear pair are supplementary. Angles in linear pair are supplementary. Please try to understand this. These two angle POX means this total angle and POY is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is these two angles are on the line. But out of that POY is given to us as 90 degree. This is given to us as 90 degree. It means angle POX is also equal to 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. So this angle POX must also be 90 degrees. Now look at the figure. Here we are given that POX is equal to POM plus XOM. From figure we understand that 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degrees. It means 5x is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 90 divided by 5, that is equal to 5 ones are 5 and 5 eights are 4. 5 eights are 40. So x is equal to 18. It means angle POM is equal to 2 multiplied by 18, that is equal to 36 degrees. And angle angle XOM is equal to 3 into 18, that is equal to 54 degrees. 18 3s are 54. So we have got XOM and POM. Now we are asked to find angle C. Please note, this B plus C is equal to 180 degrees because they form a linear pair. Angle XOM plus angle XON XON is also equal to 180 degrees. Reason is again they form a linear pair. Out of this we have got XOM. XOM that is equal to 3x. XOM is equal to 54 degrees. So this will be angle XON is equal to 180 minus 54. So this is equal to 0 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 126 degrees. So angle XON is equal to 180 degrees. It means XON means angle C. So C is equal to 126 degrees.